Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Integrating Sociocultural Intelligence into Cybersecurity, a LESCANT based approach for phishing and social engineering detection. This is our project abstract. This study explores how including cultural difference in annotated dataset can improve cybersecurity system, especially to prevent phishing and social engineering attacks. Its purpose was to increase dataset diversity by partnering globally and to create adaptive models that learn cultural pattern in real time. The study also looked at automated annotation methods to reduce cultural bias. A new version of LESCANT framework is developed for better phishing detection. The work includes mathematical model, Python code and visual examples from different regions to show how effective these methods are. Future work aim to include cultural aspects in broader cybersecurity tools to make them smarter and more reliable. This is a flowchart diagram. The very first thing, our system doesn't store raw input. This is a data collection phase, and we move to crucial pre-analysis step. The text goes into pre-processing and translation here. Clean up the text, removing white space and punctuation, and translate is a system to handle text from different language. And next, the feature extraction and vectorized text. This is a core of our ML preparation. We identify the important words or pattern that feature and convert text into numbers or vectors, which is only language our model can accurately understand. Then our model will predict if it's spam or ham. If the message is spam, we follow this path, prepare the spam explanation. If the text is ham, prepare the ham explanation. We create a specific explanation for user. Both paths then merge back together. Then we take explanation and generate visually and detailed output. This could be the chart highlighting keywords, and we display output to user on their screen. This is our project explanation part. The process begins here at the user's submit text step. In our application, the main analysis where the user type and paste a message they want to check it's a spam or ham. And then the pre-processing and translation, we clean the data and translate it if it's necessary. In this step, in our application, multi-level analysis. System identify the key pattern and convert the text into numerical format, and the AI model can understand. And next, the generate visualization and detailed output. In this step in our application, click the performance metrics and show the accuracy score. This is our source code. This is our project output, and this is a login page. If we don't have any account, click register and enter username, then mail ID, and password. And then click register. After that, in login page, enter username, then password. If you enter wrong credential, show invalid username or password. Then after login, this is our dashboard. First click main analyzer and paste the message and click analyze message. It result save ham and also detailed explanation. And click the explanation and paste the message and click analysis. It gives spam prediction, but below it lists the key feature that contribute to decision, like the authority tone along with the importance score. And then click multilingual analysis. This is most important feature. Our model or trained on English test, but space a different language and click analysis. It detect language and translate English also. Then click interactive quiz. This page designed to teach user what to look for. The education page function contains a list of quiz questions, each with an answer and explanation. And then click the performance metrics. It shows the accuracy score and classification report table are already loaded directly from metrics.json file. And then last, exploring the data, click the view full dataset. The dataset viewer page display the content of spam.csv. If I click the copy, then directly go to the phishing and spam message detection and click analysis message. It shows the ham or spam. This is our project explanation part. The process begin here at the user's submit text step. In our application, the main analysis where the user type and paste a message they want to check it's a spam or ham. And then the pre-processing and translation, we clean the data and translate it if it's necessary. In this step in our application, multilingual analysis, system identify the key pattern and convert the text into numerical format and the AI model can understand. Then next, predict spam or ham. Based on this prediction, the system prepared an explanation. In this step in our application, and paste the message, click analysis message and result ham and then explanation. And next, the generate visualization and detail output. In this step in our application, click the performance metrics and show the accuracy score. Thank you.